The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Hey, all come. Come on, all do all the face in the video. Knock it up.
All you see what's going on, and what the world see what's going on with we here. They say that we are this COVID thing. They see the test, they say we come up positive. All you watch where they bring me and put we. You understand?
Walk it in folks.
Watch where they bring me and put we. Watch where they bring me and put we.
12 hours in one cell. 12 hours in one cell.
Understand? Which part?
We get to go to court. We get nothing.
Understand it, people. What the toilet going on here? What the toilet? Understand it, What's going on there?
One window.
All you understand it,
One window.
So them not toilet.
All you understand it? What you looking? Watch. What's that? Man, I need breakfast yet and the same man sick. Man, see no medical attention, nothing.
To leave it dead.
It's bare madness going on here. Bare madness going on fucking here. Quarantine, what should I everybody 12 man to sell?
We don't even get no medical assistance, nothing.
12 man to fucking sell.
We get no medical assistance, nothing. That's how we up to now. We get nothing to eat yet. Up to now. You understand? They mad man. They can't house me here. They can't house me here.
12 man in a cell.
They can't house me here.
12 man in a cell, look, I really mad this
facility.
We are COVID-19.
One thing.
Man, listen up.
Good morning, world, right? My name is Prince Swift, right? I is a man who won lungs, right? I want you to understand this. They say we are COVID-19. They bring me in a jail, lapidated, right? They stating we ain't even got no chemicals, nothing. Stating for we to sanitize ourselves and how we sell proper. You dig? This politician saying we have everything under control. You dig? And how we in building 13. How we suffer and we not getting that on time. You dig? We not getting the beer on time. Things coming late. All they do something proper. Ministry of Health, all they here we please now, boy. Here we please do something. I have a hole inside a hole. I have one lungs, a fiscal. I want to do something for me, please. You dig? All the hiding, we not even getting medication. They ain't even coming to check my temperature. You dig? Watch me. I have one lungs. I want to hear me, you know. I telling you because this what I'm doing here is failure. Right?
And it's the whole jail of it. Not just we.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows persons who said some things that gave me the understanding that they said that they're in a jail. You see what I said to you? And according to some things that have been said about the video on social media, it is said that this had happened within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, you see, whether they are in a jail or they're in prison, you see what I said to you, because some of the times you have persons call prison jail and call jail prison, you see me? But they are kind of similar, but there is a difference between the prison thing and the jail thing, you see me? Now, these persons shown in this video are complaining about being in the cell with a certain amount of persons, and they are complaining about how they are being treated and, you know, about the COVID-19 as well, you see me? And, you know, I understand what they're saying, and, you know, I don't like to see anyone suffer, but at the same time, still, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm not saying every single one of these persons, but some of these persons might have done some bad things to end up in a place like that. You see what I say? So even though I feel somewhat sorry for them, at the same time I'm saying to myself, you know, don't find yourself in a place like that. You see what I say to you? And I hope that they might learn something from an experience like this, because in my point of view, I don't think jail or prison is a good place to be. See what I say? Now, I heard of cases where there are persons who ended up in prison or jail wrongfully accused or wrongfully prosecuted. See me? And you know, there are cases of good suffer for the bad or so on, but at the same time, still viewers and subscribers, I don't like to see people go through bad things, even though some of them might have done bad things. You see me? Because like I said, there might be some persons who have been wrongfully accused. You see me? I say, because it happened before. You see me? If you read certain newspapers and watch news and them things, it happen where persons go to prison or jail wrongfully accused or wrongfully prosecuted. You know, but however, the point is that I only hope that these persons learn from an experience like this, isn't it? Alright, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. You see? The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a person had been pulled over by the police somewhere within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. And you're going to hear someone talking in the background of this video, and according to some things that I heard in this video and according to some things that I saw as well, it seems as if this person was being ticketed by the police. You see me? I'm going to let you take a look at the video for yourself to see why the person was being ticketed or hear why the person is being ticketed. You see me? And other things have been said as well in this video. You see me? I said, alright, so I'm going to present this video to you and then we'll talk a little bit more, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
I am asking you, Gary, as you can see, Gary, I'm asking the officer, what is your name, sir? You now told me to come out.
Come out the roadway.
Well, you now told me to come out.
Enter your vehicle. I told you to come to the Larman post to get your face mask ticket now.
Come to the Larman post?
Yes, come please, come.
What, so I'm going to leave my kids? So what are you saying? I'm confused. You now say come, now you say go back to my vehicle.
The face mask ticket at the Larman post.
I cannot drive without my license.
I'm giving you a lawful directive.
I cannot drive without my license. It is illegal. Is it legal to drive without my license?
So please come. I'm giving you a lawful directive.
What by law?
Please look where you park your vehicle.
You tell me pull right here. Look where you park your vehicle.
Look
where you park your vehicle.
Mr. Man, I'm going to warn you.
I cannot drive without my license.
Conduct in a public place.
Am I right or am I wrong?
You are speaking.
Good night.
Yes, good
night. Good night.
Head to your vehicle. Let's go to the post. I'm going to your vehicle. Please.
So are you saying I can drive without my license only?
Look at here, we have it here.
And what is your name, sir?
I'm giving you a love. I told you about 4 times.
No, you never did. Did he tell me 4 times, sir?
Sir, Constable. Head to your vehicle.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prasad. So I am just saying I can drive without my license.
Yes, I am giving you a lawful directive.
That I can drive without my license.
But
no problem.
10 times already.
So I do not have my license. As you can see, I don't have my license and my insurance on me.
I have it here.
And you have my insurance as well.
Yes, let's go. Come on for your face ticket. Come on.
Sir, I can get my ticket right here.
No, come on.
I cannot drive without my license and insurance. If I get in a vehicle accident, I'll be liable, as you know, Mr. Prasad. Can I drive without my license and insurance?
Sir, here what happened.
Yes, sir. No problem. I humbly apologize for being so loud.
Well, here what's happening, right?
Yes, sir.
The officer observed you.
Yes, sir.
Reach the traffic light, and that's the only reason why we engaged you. Yes, and then we followed you, and you were not wearing your face mask.
Sir, I had on my face mask.
No, let me talk, please.
Yes,
and
sir.
hence the reason he brought it to your attention, and he's going to issue you a ticket for not wearing on your mask.
So, Mr. Prasad,
because you are not only once you are alone in the vehicle,
yes,
then you are exempted from.
So I am kindly asking you.
Yes, sir.
Under oath as well, sir. My face mask was by my nose, or it was totally off.
It was totally off.
I'm speaking to you. My mask was totally off.
Your nose was showing. Your nose was showing.
Sir, when you had on your mask, was your mask on properly?
Yes.
Sir, Mr. Prasad, Mr. Prasad, this is something very serious. His mask was on properly?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Prasad,
sir, please.
The Lord, let's remember, the Lord will chastise you for this. You know and I know as well, he did not have on his mask properly.
Sir, please.
So, Mr. Prasad, am I asking, did your partner have on his mask properly?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Sir, I observe you did not have on.
Yes, but did he have on his mask properly?
No, sir.
Right, exactly.
No,
so
sir,
you now said no. You now said no. You see? Properly. So he does not have on his mask properly. He didn't have his mask properly. He's charging me.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
I cannot drive without my license and insurance. How can I do that?
Sir, please, come now, please.
I know, I have no problem. If I have my license and insurance, I can drive.
Sir, I identified myself to you.
Mr. Prasad, I have no problem, sir, but is it lawfully right to drive on the nation road without license and insurance?
Sir, please, come to the...
I'm just asking, yes, what you tell me, yes, is that a problem? Can I drive without license and insurance? And this is what I'm talking about. This is police brutality because I'm saying that I can drive without my license and insurance. Now I'm getting back my insurance.
Sir?
Do I have my license, sir?
And would you come to the...
I will come, but do I have my license here as well, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Everyone, as you can see, police officers did not have on the mask, correct? But they actually come to charge people because my mask simply slid down my nose. It was on me.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to tell you what I think about some of the things that have been said in this video, you see me? And according to some of the things that I saw in this video as well, you see me? And you know, I might be right and I might be wrong, but you can let me know if I am right or if I'm wrong, you see? Now, according to how I understand some of the things that have been said and shown in this video, I get the understanding that the person talking in the background of the video is being ticketed by the police for not wearing a mask properly or not wearing a mask. Alright? The next thing me hear the person mentioned is about the police and the police officer's mask. You see me I say? Alright. Now, I hear where the person keep asking for his papers, right? Which is the papers to drive his motor vehicle. You understand? And the person asking for the papers is like the person is saying, hey, I am willing to move my vehicle and put it where you, the police officer, told me to put it or to drive to. But at the same time, the person is saying that he cannot drive without his documents. You understand? Because legally, you're not supposed to drive without your license and insurance and so on for a vehicle. You see me? You're not supposed to drive without those things. You see me? Those things are necessary to be on you whenever you're driving, not only in the country of Trinidad and Tobago, but in other countries out there. You understand? So it's like the person saying, you know, Mr. Officer, you have my papers for me to drive. If you give me the papers, then I will drive and put the vehicle where you tell me to put it. You see me? Even though I am saying to myself, the person might have to drive maybe like about the highest about 5 feet, maybe 10 feet. You see me? I said that's what I'm looking at. But you know, law is law. You see me? Law is law. You see me? So maybe the man have a big point there. Some persons might call it stubborn, but maybe that person have a point right there. You see me? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what to think about some of the things that I said in this video. You can let me know what to think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And you know, big up and respect to each and every one. I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. You understand? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah man, hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.